Gina with WTI, and I have found the perfect little tool to target tight glute muscles. Now you may be thinking, how is this glute blade any different than the implements I already have at home, like rubber balls or foam rollers? And let me tell you, this is totally in its own category. I've used those other implements for years, but when I started using this glute blade, I couldn't believe how really targeted it is for the piriformis muscle. Because of the shape of the piriformis muscle, I found that it was best for me to use with the glute blade running across my glute instead of parallel to my glute. So you can see that I kind of sit on it. I make sure to use my hands to hold myself up so I'm not putting all of my weight on it. But as I got more used to it, I was able to put more weight, and it just feels so good. It really gets in there and works it out. I also found that this works great for my hip flexors, the IT band, and even on my shoulder blades. I did use that running parallel to my body, and it was amazing just to move around a little bit, and it really works those muscles. I got the yellow glute blade, which is medium density, and this has a kind of squishiness to it. It's still firm and stiff, but it's very comfortable to use. This has really been such an amazing tool for me. I found that it really targets those areas I can't get with other implements, but that's just my point of view.